Hey man,
Hey, what's up, dude?
what's up? What are you doing?
Dude, Lotto, did you see? 40 million this week.
Okay, so?
Come on, man.
Oh, you think you're gonna win?
Are you feeling lucky?
You really think you're gonna do this?
Dude, I think this is our chance. This YouTube channel is not working. This is our only chance to have a pension.
Yes.
I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night.
Okay.
I dreamed 6 of the 7 lucky numbers. Give me the last lucky number. What's your birthday?
You don't know my birthday?
I don't know your birthday.
Okay, now I'm really, offended.
Come on, give me the number. I only need one number. What's the number?
You're not gonna win. Or better said, you're gonna win only when pigs fly. So come on, please. You have contents to create.
Dude,
come on,
that's
I'm waiting.
That's not an expression.
Okay.
Pigs don't fly.
Yeah,
what are you talking about?
Exactly. Yeah.
Mo, do you have a LinkedIn account?
Yes, I do.
Did you see there's a new job announcement for a university lecturer in English at Heidelberg University?
Yes, but why are we talking like this?
Let's come down here. Maybe other teachers want to apply. We don't want to tell them about this opportunity.
Okay.
It's
Now I get it, okay.
It's a TVL 13 position. I don't know what that means, but I think it means it's a good salary.
Okay. Good salary is always good.
I have a CELTA certificate. I have a graduate degree, not in English, but that's okay. I have 25 years experience. What do you think? Do you think I have a chance?
Do you want me to be honest?
I mean, are you...
Come on, okay, let me be honest.
Okay.
I'm your friend, I should be.
We're sort of friends, but like...
Okay.
Okay.
That hurts my feelings,
Okay.
but okay. You're old.
What?
Yes, you are old, and they are... come on. In Germany, you have to put your face, your picture, on the resume.
That's true, isn't it?
Yeah.
You gotta put your face on there.
And you're old, and they are looking. Yes, I'm sorry. You see the white, yeah, and they're gonna notice it, and they're looking for young teachers. And you don't know any German?
I speak a little bit of German.
Really?
A little bit.
Okay. Saying hello doesn't count.
Ich bin Scott.
Doesn't work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, that really hurts my feelings.
I'm sorry, but I think.
Mo, I just don't...
Can we just stand up? You're not gonna get the job. Just.
I can't believe Mo said such hurtful things about my age. I guess I could have shaved for this bit today. I've had a receding hairline for 25 years. You know what? Maybe I should go to Turkey. I've heard that the cosmetic surgery in Turkey is unbelievable. I can get hair plugs. I can get a full head of hair. When I put my photo on my resume, I'll be beautiful. I'm gonna get this job.
Only when pigs fly.
How did Mo get in the toilet? I don't understand. I can't believe Mo doesn't think I'm qualified for this job. I thought we were friends. Been hanging out, been working on this project. Now he thinks I'm too old for the position. He criticizes my German language skills. Maybe he just wants the job for himself. Look around this place. I'm the only native English speaker in this particular area.
Dude!
Uh-oh.
You've told me that my speaking skills are near native. You can work on your project alone.
Helen, wait, come back.
My name is Helena, old man.
Wait, does that mean you're not coming back tomorrow?
I will, when pigs fly.
What did I say?